So we've seen screens and screen tracking earlier. Now something else you want to take a look at is what if you want to go one level deeper, in the sense as sometimes you want to know more than just, okay, this is the main menu, or this is the play or the level 1, this is the level 2, this is the game over screen. Sometimes you want to know what the user is doing on that specific screen, and we call this event tracking. Alright, now what kind of events are we going to be able to track? So here in this game, for example, you can track whenever somebody clicks on the play button or on any of the other buttons, such as audio on and off. And you can tell if somebody, if everybody click on the button to turn off the audio, then maybe, if a good amount does that, maybe you don't want to have that audio on, or maybe something is wrong with your music. You want to turn it off maybe, or something. Now, you can also have menus. What do I mean by menus? In Unity, it's very specific. Events and menus are within the canvas. Now, if you're using any new version of Unity, 5 and above, you have the menu inside of your canvas. So all of these items are elements within the menu. So whenever there's something that gets selected here, you can do that with Google Analytics events. Now, you can also have a mobile ad click. So if you happen to have already integrated Google Ad Mobs, you can tell if somebody clicked on one of your advertising, whether it's a full screen ad, or whether a small banner at the bottom of the screen, or even a video ad. You can tell all of this thanks to Google Ad Mob and Google Analytics. They go hand in hand. Now, obviously, you can also create your own videos that play and can tell in the video if it's playing or not. You can also have different gestures, maybe a swipe, or any other type of gestures. You can track this with events. Now, something else you definitely want to know is that whenever you give an event, it has 4 different parameters. Now, we're going to get into this, but know that there's 4 different parameters you can pass with an event, such as what category the event belongs to. Now, what do we mean by category? I'm going to show you in a little bit. You also have action, what type of action. Add a label to that event, and also a value, but that's optional. You don't have to have that. But the one that are mandatory as the category, the action, and the label. Now, categories, for example, one of the category could be that you have social shares, if they shared on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or anything like this. This is one category. Or if somebody is looking at the instructions. So the instruction level and all the things within the instruction are one category. In-app purchases could be a different category as well. Then you have also actions. What type of action? So let's say if it's a video, you can play the video, you can pause, you can rewind, and things like that. Now, also Google advise you to have a label on that, such as, like maybe if somebody plays a video, you want to say what type of video was played, right? You want to say maybe the video about, how to play the game. That would be a video. And then you can have a value, maybe, like how long the user played the video for. If the user played the video for 30 seconds or for 5 minutes, to see, if maybe somebody will go through all the video or just one little chunk and just drop out of it. All right, having said that, let's get into coding this, and let's take a look at this in the next lecture.